Hello, my name is Debbie Wood. I'm a professional graphic recorder. I work at conferences and events and capture what I hear and feel as a visual map live while sharing with an audience. Like this. Or this. This creates another level of energy and attention in the room. People are seeing the illustrations and graphics emerge while they're listening to speakers and panels. Or if they're engaging and contributing in a workshop setting, they are seeing that they are heard. This is really powerful, especially if they're working on strategy and teams need to come together. I know that I'm bringing a whole other level of value to a room in doing what I do. At the time, but also beyond. The graphic recording lives on and it can be shared more widely. It can be referred back to over time and it keeps the people in the room accountable. It's a very powerful thing.